In this tutorial, I'll show you how to run a sale on Shopify. By the end, you will have marked products down with clear sale pricing, created a discount customers can use at checkout or automatically, and added a simple sale banner to your storefront. First, go to Shopify. Open your Shopify admin so you're on the main dashboard. Next, go to Products. From the left menu, click Products to see your product list. Select Products. Click into a product you want on sale. If you're running the same sale on several items, select each product in turn and repeat these price changes. This keeps your store pricing accurate and consistent. Set Compare at Price, which is your original price. On the Product Details page, find the Pricing section. In the Compare at Price field, enter the original, the higher price you want customers to see crossed out. This tells shoppers what the item used to cost. Set Price, which is your discounted price. In the price field, enter the new lower sale price you want to charge. Make sure the discounted price is lower than the compare at price, so Shopify shows it as a sale. If you have variants, set these two fields for each variant you want on sale. Click Save. Use the Save button in the top right. This commits your sale pricing. If you change several products, save each one as you go. Don't worry, saving here only updates the product's price and compare at price. It doesn't delete any product details. Now go to Discounts. From the left menu, click Discounts to set up an additional incentive for your sale. Click Create Discount. You'll start a new discount that customers can use at checkout. Let's choose the type, percentage, fixed, or free shipping. Percentage takes a set percent off, like 10% off. Fixed takes a specific amount off, like $5 off. Free shipping removes the shipping charge. Pick the one that matches your promotion. This discount will work alongside the sale pricing you just set if applied to the same products. Set a code or automatic discount. If you want customers to enter a discount code at checkout, type the code text you want them to use. If you prefer the discount to apply by itself without a code, select automatic discount. Automatic discounts apply when the cart meets your conditions, so shoppers don't have to type anything. Apply the discount to products or collections. Choose the exact products or collections you want the discount to cover. Let's match this to the items you marked down earlier so your sale is clear and consistent. If you selected collections, make sure the products are inside those collections so the discount applies as expected. Click Save. This activates the discount with the settings you chose. You can return here anytime to adjust or turn it off when your sale ends. Go to Online Store, then Themes. From the left menu, click Online Store and under it, Themes. You'll update your storefront messagings so customers see the sale right away. Click Customize. This opens the theme editor for your current theme. Add a banner or announcement bar with the text Sale. In the theme editor, locate the announcement bar or banner section. If your theme lets you add a section, add an announcement bar. Type Sale as the message. You can keep it simple, or add brief context like sale if the field is short. Keep it clear so visitors understand instantly that a sale is running. If your theme supports a link in the announcement, you can point it to your sale collection, but the key here is to display the sale message prominently. Click Save. Your announcement now appears across your storefront, guiding visitors to your discounted items. At this point, your Shopify sale is fully set up. Your products show a compare at price with a clear discounted price. Your discount code or automatic discount is ready at checkout, and your storefront displays a visible sale banner. Everything is in place and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.